if you are using Mac, first you have to install developer tools. We can install developer tools by running this command xcode-select install. In this system, xcode already installed. We can also install xcode from App Store. After that, we can install nvm. So in this video, I am going to install nvm from GitHub. So first we need to clone nvm from GitHub. After that, we can go to .nvm folder, then run git tag. So it will show all the tags. You can select the latest tag, then check out that particular tag. So here I am going to check out tag 0.33.11. Okay, then there you can see one script nvm.sh. So we need to source that script. So after that, we can use this nvm command. For example, nvm list. So this will list the version of nodes which already installed. So if you want, you can move this source part, the sourcing command, you can move to the bash_profile. So that's something like this. Open bash_profile, and there you can see these 3 lines. We need to add these 3 lines, then it will automatically source nvm.sh script when you log into the system. Okay, so let me clear this. So next I am going to list available node versions in the cloud. So you can see I just listed the last 9 versions. So this particular version I already installed using nvm. So if you run nvm list, you can see that it already installed. So I am going to install another version. Let's say this one. So we can install it like this: nvm install, then the version of that particular node which you want to install. You can see it's downloading node 10.3.0. Okay, installation completed. Let me clear it, then run nvm list. So you can see in this system I have installed 2 different versions of Node, 10.6 and 10.3. So 10.3 is the active one. So you can see this symbol here. So if you run node-v, you can see the version of active node. So if you want to make this as this particular version as the active node, you can use this command nvm use, then the version which you want to active. So now you can see this message now using node 10.6.0. that is the default node. Now let me run node-v. You can see now this is the active node. So this way we can install multiple versions of node and you can switch between the versions. You can also check the version of npm. It's 6.1.0. So if you use node 10.3 and check the version of npm, so that is not changing. Let me show one more thing. We can also give the alias for the version. For example, nvm alias default 10. So I am going to give this one default 10.6. For this version I am giving this alias. So now alias has created. After that, or let me create one more alias 10.3 for 10.3. So I have created two alias. After that, if you want to activate one particular version, you can use that alias nvm use. I'm going to activate this default 10.3. So when you run nvm list, there you can see the alias to version mapping. So if you want to delete one particular alias, you can run this command nvm and alias. This is deleted alias. So after that, if you run nvm list, see that particular mapping alias to version mapping has deleted. So this way we can install multiple versions of Node and you can manage it using nvm. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment.